Okay, guys, so Mario day here say I cook dinner. In my fry fish. Shantol there say she make festival. Escovitch fish festival. But look all the people I'm looking can see say they don't cook. Look on the floor all over them. Look there. Festival. Two festival. I look all flour of 2 fish. See the 2 fish in my fry. Look at that.
How much fish this? Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What fish this? Yes. I mean, I deal with it.
More my fish crispy, no.
No.
No, where may I go with that?
Hola.
No, I want the biggest fish.
Oh, you want a big one and drop out that plate?
Yes. Make sure them tail get fried good.
Hey!
One dance.
It's
that?
true to me.
In there, you see that foot there? You see it. One dance. Come in now.
You're busy, but you're busy tonight.
Alright, I'm done.
Joanna.
Yes, Tati. Mario cooking fish.
Yeah, man, that's it. I'm here the chef around here.
Hey, my cook, look how him full up. Look how he's filled with flour. His first time cooking.
Look what they in our pot. Jack Bao.
Shantol, I make festival. Let me show y'all the festival.
DJ Jack
She said Mario burning up the food.
No, it's not. That's the way it's supposed to look.
He's cooking dinner tonight.
Busy, okay, busy tonight.
And Shantol, I make them good festival to eat with the fish. But I know. But I'm done. I'm going to eat up that food there, you see.
Joanna.
That one that look like it want turn.
Alright, come on, don't fish this man.
No, I have to watch.
Are you the chef for me?
I am the chef.
Not tonight.
Well, not tonight, but
And me, I run it tonight. So I'm doing the thing.
okay.
See that? Mad.
So go on, cook up the fish, cook up the festival, dance all you want. A boy there, boy ready for him fish right now.
You ready for fish?
Angel, what you doing?
Joanna.
Up on the festival with Angel I finish. I cannot.
Joanna. Joanna. What price for you?
What do you mean we have fries? Those are my fries. Those are not your fries.
For everybody?
You didn't cook no fries for everyone. You cook for yourself.
No one asked. I asked, can I have some of your fries?
Anyway.
Yes, Chanel. It looks so good. I can't wait to dig in.
Yeah, man, I know what Jim said.
He might show off himself. He's just showing off. You're showing off because you know I am the one who's teaching him how to fry these
fish. If you want
fish.
to know how to fry fish and you want it tastes even better, wait till you touch plate a little more. Chef, walla bang bang.
My day here, I'm so hungry. I just him just a play like y'all playing.
Watch yourself. You can't rush greatness.
What you mean you can't rush greatness?
Greatness is not to be rushed.
Greatness for me, so that mean I'm not cooking today. So what I did, my job was to make the seasoning, to make the escovitch sauce. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Boy, so me have to buy fish on festival?
$10
That don't make no sense.
$10 plate. Fish and festival.
Oh my gosh. My clothes are drop off. My clothes are drop off, Mario.
Listen, I feel flow like a river. But you know the man a leader.
See, I put the vinegar in the pot.
You may say you have to.
That's how the big chef. You see the big chef run gone. No, sir. What happened? You get burned?
Oh.
You see that? I'm glad. Big. Yeah, man. You see that? Get burned. That's for sure. Say, man, a real chef.
Oh.
No, I'm afraid for go back, go turn the fish them. Wow.
Yo, it's a lot, man.
What you mean is a lot? I want to look at freckles fly by you.
It's a lot. It's a clump.
That's nothing.
Me never so much never compare than bun me.
So what happened now? You're afraid for turn the fish them now?
I'm afraid, man. A chef same way. Just you have to be more cautious. You know, say, as them things that go on a cooking business, that's it. When you're a big chef like me, all of them things that go on. You know what I say? All of them things that go on in a chef first. You know what I say? Fish them come up and spot. Watch you see the last
Watch
chef
know.
free.
Watch know.
Follow on beg in the house. Yes,
Man, I bet that pop up and burn me. Eh?
Go to the aisle.
Okay. Okay.